Thanks everyone for tuning in to NC Alarms. My name is Will, and for once I'm doing an unboxing. So let's dig right in. This is going to be the first box in this unboxing video. I have another box that I'm going to be opening that is significantly larger than this one, so but we'll start with this one, and the two packages are correlated in some way. You'll understand why I bought this when you see the second box. So let's go ahead and open this package with the spider knife. Wow, I have two hands and I can't even open the box. We're just gonna have at it with all the stuff comes out of this one. I hate it when they do that. But then again, it's a box, so I'm happy. Alright. And out of the box comes another box. It's a very flat box. Give me just a moment to clean this up and I will get back to you. Now that the area is a little bit more clean, we can go ahead and open up this box. And look what's inside. Looks like a smoke detector base. That's exactly what it is. It's a smoke detector base for a smoke detector head that I already have. Now, what's so significant about this detector base? Well, you'll just have to wait and see. So, once we get to the second box, you'll see why I ordered this particular base. Alright, so here's the other box, and now joining me for this second part of the unboxing, I have...
Nicholas Panda 92.
If you don't know, that's Frank Doherty.
Yes,
so we're going to unbox this with spider knife. So, let's go ahead and...
I have so many water bottles in my room. I drink excessive amounts of water.
If you don't know Frank, welcome to Frank World. Welcome to the world of Frank.
I drank about like 10 water bottles in the past 2 hours.
Well, that's going to suck for you when you lay down and then you realize you have to pee.
I literally having to pee every 5 minutes.
5
I'm gonna leave my pocket.
Alright, let's see if we can't get this sucker open.
I can't pick up all the bottles.
As you can see, this is a giant package. I'm pretty sure most of you have already just started to guess what's in here. It's pretty obvious when you have a box this big, what you're gonna be unboxing. And of course, they decided to use packing peanuts. So now I gotta dig down below all this. Oh man. Alright, there's purchase order. And here's another box on the inside of this. Which, as you can see, it's in the wrong box, but... Huh. This looks like it's in the wrong box. It says this is a conventional Kidde 5-zone panel, but I can guarantee you that is not what this is. Alright. This is not the 5-zone panel that it's labeled as you can see it's extending out of the box.
I have 5. I have a panel that's 5 zones.
You do, that's right. Frank, if you don't know this yet, Frank did get himself a new panel. Why don't you go over to his channel and check that out after hitting up this video. He's got a pretty neat little system going on with it. It's really cool.
Yes. The link to the first system test will be in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check it out.
Yeah, it definitely will be.
Also, I've also added like 2 more things to the system. One being a remote indicator light to the smoke detector, and I also added another notification of lights.
Oh yeah, I think you told me about that. Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Alright, I'm going to pull the panel out now.
I'm more ready than a kid on a first teacher knows that he's getting nothing.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to make this easier on myself since this panel's a little heavy. I'm going to cut the box open a little bit differently than it's supposed to be cut open.
Cuts it over from the wall.
Alright, we have a GE, and thank goodness they included the key, because I don't have a key for these panels. We have a Kidde FX64.
Whoa, what's that?
Alright. So there it is. Brand new panel. Alright. Let me clean this up a little bit, and I will...
Oh, that's like the addressable panel that that other YouTuber has. I forget his name.
Alright, well, there's the unboxing, and I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes, and maybe I'll have this set up and ready to show you guys this panel in action. So, get back to you in a few. Alright guys, so here's my little demo system that I've set up with this. You can see I'm borrowing the AC power from the 9200 UDLS, and in order to put this here, I decided to get rid of the pull station. As opposed to just moving it down, I decided that if I want a pull station on this system, I was going to put it right here anyway. So, there you go. This is the EG1RF HD VM, multi-candela horn strobe set to 110 candela. And then I have the E-PD, which is supposedly supposed to be the FX-PD, but whatever. Mine is labeled E-PD, that's what I'm going to call it. And here's the FX-64. Now I've already programmed this panel and everything with NAC bypass and drill for the function keys, and then we have the remote disconnect, signal silence, reset, acknowledge, and lamp test. There's your programming button right there. You can press that to enter into your menu and whatnot, but I don't want to go into the menu right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Solo here, and we're going to test out the smoke detector, because this thing activates pretty darn quickly. So, here we go. Now we just wait. There we go. Cool thing is that you can silence the panel and keep the piezo going. Let's acknowledge, and then we'll do a system reset. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like, and rate, comment, and subscribe so that people just like you can see this video too. My name is Will, and this has been an unboxing and test of the Kidde FX-64.